Everybody knows that the egg market is just getting over this outbreak of the bird flu. And now I read over the weekend, a company out west has recalled nearly 2 million dozen eggs, 20.5 million eggs because of a salmonella outbreak. Oh, look at this. We got our first quail egg. Part of these quail are just turning 8 weeks and part of them are about 6 weeks. I've been looking for quail eggs any day, and this is the first one. I'm not telling you that keeping your own chickens or that small production farms aren't going to have issues with disease and salmonella, but the small flocks that are taken care of outside of these factory farm practices, I think are probably going to be less prone to it. Out of the 15 years that I've been keeping chickens, I have not had an issue. But even so, when your egg supply is being controlled by a handful of companies and 20.5 million eggs are being recalled, and there's a reason that there's a saying, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. It's mind-blowing. It is mind-blowing. Chickens aren't that hard to keep. And we are getting out here this morning and weeding this garden. I've got mulch to put down on it. Just have to weed it first. There's a squash ready to pick. Looks like we're going to be picking some jalapenos too. And I'm not even saying that these factory farms aren't doing the best they can. I just think there's problems inherent to that system that you aren't going to get rid of. Oh, well, stay away from the ants, okay? That's a passion flower, a maypop. I'm gonna leave that there. Now, some of this I've been putting off for a few weeks, and a few weeks is all it takes to get into a mess. Procrastination is not your friend homesteading. Get those piles of weeds. We're gonna take them back there to the rabbits. And this pile right here has briars in it. It's going to compost. You got it?
Yep. You want the little lady? Yeah.
Little lady, there's a little lady right there.
Do I just buy on my dog? Do I that one?
Oh my God.
We like that one and this one.
Whoa, 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 whoa! This is a candy roaster squash.
What thing was the dog?
That was this. Don't weed in this bed. Weed over here where I told you to weed. Left all the other weeds over here and pulled the only thing that we were growing. We're gonna put this back in the ground. Water it in, but I doubt that it's going to survive. That was a lot of taproot that came off of there.
Me hot.
Oh, you're sweating?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard work, but we're getting a lot of it done. Good job, girls. Weeding is done, and I'll tell you, this looks a whole lot better. Now it's time for the mulch.
A little too big. You don't have to me one, D. Don't mean to hat you.
Oh, you gotta have one in your size?
Yeah. Guess what? I'm watching you too. Wait, so I don't want to.
Good job. Alright, so that's enough. Time to cook some mustard greens. Wait a minute, you gotta spread this out right here even. Yep, spread it. Move some of that to the other side of that plant over there.
Are we done?
No, we got to get some more mulch. Alright, it was a big day. I worked hard, the girls worked hard. But now that we got it mulched, we won't have to worry about weeding anymore. A lot of work on the front end, but it makes it a lot easier going forward. So all we got to start doing now is picking vegetables. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, do all the stuff you see at the bottom of the screen. Check out our affiliate links in the description below. Once you've done all that, check out this video right here, see what else we're doing on Homestead. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.